This is my club car golf cart, and today we're going to be painting it. And I'm going to be bringing you along the whole process. You're going to need all your supplies. So here I got all the paint. Of course it's going blue. I have a glitter for metallic sparkle to match my truck, of course. I have clear coat, WD-40 to take off any sticker residue on the cart. And some tape, some masking tape, some sandpaper, of course, and a bunch of tools. Number 2, we're gonna be removing the headlights, taillights, the seats, and everything else that's gonna be in the way. This is my buddy Trent. He's helped me out a lot on this project. Say hi, Trent.
What's going on, guys?
Step 3 is sand down the whole body. Get rid of any scratches, any deep scratches, any stickers, any residue. We're going around the whole body in 100 grit. Get all the deeper grooves. Finishing off with 600 grit. Make it nice and smooth. After sanding, come by with a damp rag, go over it, take some of that dust off, really get in there. Paint has something to stick to so it doesn't just flake off with the dust. 4, mask around everything you don't want paint on. Simple as that. After she's masked off already, you usually want to start with some primer. But we have Paint Plus Primer. I'm not sponsored, by the way. This is just what I prefer. It's working great. This is our base coat, and it's already freaking shiny. We have 4 coats we're going to put on the cart. And here's how she's going so far.
Unbelievable. I've never seen paint take like this on a golf cart.
That's why you always sand it before you paint it.
Right.
Remember that. This is freshly after coat number 3 and possibly the last coat. Caked on there, very nice. We're gonna be adding our metallic flake very soon.
Ooh, that's good.
Now for one of the most satisfying parts of the whole project. Peeling the masking tape. And here she is, the finished product. Fast forward a few weeks, I have since put new wheels on it, my own custom plate on the front, and the paint is holding up flawlessly. Thank you guys so much for watching. That's it for this video. Make sure you check out my Instagram and TikTok as well. Subscribe if you haven't already, and happy painting. Cheers.